Welcome back to KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Texozo Media. The saga continues. She had black hair with white streaks throughout, and eyes the same color as her father. An odd combination against skin so dark it looks black. Odd, but mesmerizing. I feel the presence of evil step into my rural village of Mukanga in Mashingo, and I know the time is up. Hurry, you must go, he's here. Use the forest, it will cover for you for as long as it can and buy us time. The mother is breaking down, hesitant to leave her only child behind. Will you tell her about us and how much we loved her? Yes, she will always know him, and the time is right. She will do what is necessary. Now go. Both of them lean down to give their daughter one last kiss, and the mother hands me a bag with a birth certificate, a mbira, a letter, and a wine-red dress. I leave first knowing how hard this already is for them as I make my way to the hut. A hut hidden in plain sight that can only be found if your energy is pure, or when I die. It is the safest place for her, the last of the three. I change her clothes and make sure she's dry and comfortable. She is a beautiful little girl. Tune in tomorrow for the last part this week of KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Texozo Media. Thank you.